Alright, if you are trying to launch your data science career in India, you already know it can be tough to find that perfect entry-level spot. So today, we are going to break down a really interesting one, the junior data scientist position at Cyient. Let's dig in and see what it's all about. So, are you ready? If you are trying to get your foot in the door of the data world, especially in a major tech hub like Hyderabad, you are going to want to pay close attention. This could be that launch pad you've been looking for. Okay, let's get right to the good stuff. The company is Cyient, a global tech firm. That role? Junior data scientist right there in Hyderabad. But here's what really jumps out. The salary is between 3 to 12 LPA. And look at the experience, 0 to 3 years. That makes it a fantastic starting point for fresh graduates or anyone who's just a few years into their career. So what kind of person is Cyient really looking for? Who is the ideal candidate for this role? Well, the good news is the eligibility is super broad. They're open to graduates all the way from 2021 to 2025. And with that 0 to 3 year experience window, it's pretty clear they're ready to invest in fresh talent. Plus, look at that range of degrees, from engineering to business. It tells you they're probably building a team with a lot of different perspectives. Now, this is the crucial part. It's not just about the old-school data skills. Cyient is after someone who gets the fundamentals, but is also totally comfortable with the cutting edge of AI. It's all about mixing that classic knowledge with what's happening right now. And this technical toolkit shows you exactly what they mean. You've got your foundational stuff, right? Python, machine learning, statistical modeling, the essentials. Then you get a bit more specialized with NLP. But what really screams future-focused here is the call for LLMs, large language models, and generative AI. They want somebody who's ready to work with the absolute latest tech. Okay, so you've got the skills. That's great. But what's the day-to-day actually going to look like? What will you be doing? Taking a look at these responsibilities, you can tell this is a hands-on role. You are not just going to be running reports. No, you will be designing database architecture, actually building applications, and using machine learning to make predictions. Right from day one, you are expected to jump in and use your programming and analysis skills to solve real problems. So if you are sitting there thinking, hey, this sounds exactly like me, then let's get into the practical stuff, the salary, and of course, how to apply. And here it is again, front and center, 3 to 12 LPA. That stands for lakhs per annum. It's a pretty wide range, which tells me it'll probably depend on your experience and how well you do in the interviews. And just so we are all on the same page, LPA, or lakhs per annum, is the standard way we talk about yearly salary in India. 1 lakh is 1 lakh rupees, so we are talking about a salary range between 3 lakhs and 12 lakhs rupees a year. The application process itself is really straightforward. You'll just follow the link, create an account, and fill out the form. Make sure you upload your most recent resume. And this part is so important, double-check everything before you hit submit. That first impression really counts. Alright, so we've gone through the role, the skills they want, and the whole process. That just leaves one last really important question. Is this the right fit for you? You know, this quote from the job description pretty much sums it all up. It's an entry-level job, but it's one where you are immediately trusted to design, develop, and manage important data systems with a very modern skill set. It's a huge opportunity to learn by actually doing. So the last question is really for you to answer. You've seen the skills thereafter, the work you'll be doing, and the opportunity that's on the table. Is this the kind of challenge you are ready for? Does your ambition to really grow in the world of data science match what Cyient is offering here? The next step, well, that's up to you.